Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in on your PlayStation 4 account. So I've been signed out. What I want to do is go over to settings right here and select this and go to account management. Then go to sign in on the top. And there's two different ways that we can sign in. And then we can also go to where it says can't sign in the bottom left. So what you could do is just open up your phone, go to the camera and bring your camera over the screen and scan the QR code, and that should open up a link where you can download the PlayStation app on your phone where you can sign in with your email address and password, and then that would make it a lot easier to sign in the future. All you have to do is go to approve when it pops up on your screen. Otherwise, you can go down to where it says sign in manually right here and select this, and then enter in your password, and then go to sign in. If you forgot your password, press the triangle button right now. And then this will bring you to this reset link where you can send your email a reset link. Just go to next and then go to your email address and it should verify that. And then come back to this section and you can type in your new password. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.